Hey YouTube, what's up? This is a 98 model Pearl drum kit that I'm restoring. Okay, so I'm almost done. You can see, here's the bass drum. I've just left the last bit of paint so you guys can check this out. There's a sanding block. Don't need that at the moment. This is the sandpaper I'm using. It's a marine grade sandpaper. Okay, so let's get the rest of this red paint off. So check this out. Hey, this is not easy. I've been doing this for a week. That's why I'm using this grade of sandpaper. Because with normal sandpaper, wood sandpaper, you'd be looking at about 180 grit. The next thing I'm going to do to this drum kit though is I'm going to oil the insides of the shells. You guys have got to come back and check that out. It's going to make a lot of difference. And then I'm going to stain the outsides of them. And then I'll clear lacquer it as well. So these drums are made of mahogany. And then poplar, and then finally birch. Wooden hoops as well, same, mahogany, poplar and birch. They're going to sound amazing, can't wait. Okay, we'll come back and check out my next post.